This video is installing a trailer jack, electric one, to replace these manual ones. So I know I said I was going to keep the manual one. I thought, I just thought I'd keep the manual one forever. But this thing was so cheap, I was like, I can't resist not buying it. I want to say it was under 70 bucks. So, for the price, I couldn't resist it. So let's get it opened up. And like I said, the price is what really got me. I kept saying I was going to crank that thing forever. I'm getting a little older too, so let's just break down and do this. So let's unbox this thing. And I'll let you know the brand of this. This is a Wheeze or something. Some cheap brand. Doesn't really matter. Here it is, 3,500 pounds. So it'll easily do what I need it to do. It comes with, where is it? Here it is. It's all the video on it. It had to come with it. All right. So if by some emergency you need it, you pop this open and you put this in here, and then you can manually crank it up and down. And from the reviews I've read, it cranks up really, really easy manually. So it's not like a strain or anything. So that's pretty cool. Just keep that in your garage. Put the little rubber cap back on, and hopefully it will never break on you that you'll need to use that manual function. It's got up and down buttons right here. Turning it on and off for the, I think that's for the light. So let's get it installed. And from what I'm seeing, it's not going to be a hard install. It's going to be pretty easy. So they give you these are star washers. And what this does is, you'll see here, you have one wire. You got a power wire. And what it does is these little star washers ground it. It grounds this unit to your trailer, so it's grounded out. You get one power to hook to your power source. So let's install this. So the first thing you'll need to do is take the weight off of your trailer. So we're just gonna put the hitch on real quick. All right, so once we get the load put on the truck, this should be the last time we have to unhook this. So no load on this. Just take these 3 bolts out and this thing will pop right out. So I'll pop it out right now. So like I said before, make sure you don't have any load on this. Make sure you put it all in the truck before you take this off. Once you get those bolts out, this will come right up, and this part, the foot will come off. Come on, foot. Come on. When you don't have a hammer, use what's close. There we go. Now that foot's off, and there it is. Hopefully I'll never have to use that again. And slide the new one in the hole. Put the bolts back in. And like I said, this one is rated up to 3,500 pounds, so it's a little overkill even when you think of it for the trailer, because it'll lift 3,500 pounds. Make sure that wherever you put your bolts, you threw them in the grass, and you got them. 1, reuse your old hardware, then put it back on. Now I like to not snug them down yet. There we go. And then snug them down at the end. Now we just gotta take the power cable and fish it through so you're not gonna, you know, get tangled up against something. I'm not gonna go that. I'm gonna go under here, and I'm gonna go over here. That's a good route. And then hook it to your power source that you have. And that is it. So I don't think I'll need that extra block anymore. I'll put one down. This extends, so you can extend it down extra inches. And up, down. Oh, this is gonna be so much easier. I know this is a little, you know, sad, but when I'm at the campsite and I'm cranking away on this thing, I admit I am tired after I'm done. So I'm kind of glad I got this. Let's just take it up all the way. That is really, really tall. All right, so it's definitely going to be able to do whatever I need it to. Let me bring that down again. Check my levels. And I am level. So that is it. I mean, it's pretty easy to install. Golden rule, always keep the clips and stuff in your hand. That way you won't forget them. But yeah, this was really easy to install. I'll never have to crank on it again. Another golden rule, you still need your bucket. You still need to take your trailer hitch wiring, lay it over the top, put your bucket on it. That way this stays nice and dry all the time. Your port never gets rusted up and everything stays nice and dry. So still need to do that. But that's it. This was probably one of the easiest installations I've ever done, and I like it. It was easy, simple. I kind of wish I would have done this a long time ago. I know I was feeling like I was being lazy installing one of these, but it's pretty easy and it was cheap. That's the win of it.